The deputy was in plain clothing and an undercover vehicle with an undercover DEA agent. The deputy immediately recognized the front passenger in the suspect vehicle as Adrian Rodriguez Cardenas. The deputy and the agent make contact with Rodriguez Cardenas and the driver, later identified as Keisean Rockmore. The deputy and the DEA agent walk to the rear driver's side door. The deputy and the agent can see a third person is in the back seat. The DEA agent opened the door and asked to see the narcotics. The next few moments happen very quickly. The deputy noticed the suspect in the back of the vehicle was reaching underneath an article of clothing on the seat closest to the DEA agent. Within seconds, the suspect pulled out a black handgun from underneath the clothing and pointed it at the agent's face. The deputy saw the suspect grab the agent's shoulder and attempt to pull them into the vehicle. The deputy immediately grabbed the agent and pulled them away. The suspect, who was later identified as a juvenile, leaned out of the vehicle, pointing the gun at the deputy while threatening to shoot. The deputy pulled their department-issued handgun from their waistband and fired 2 rounds. The suspect vehicle started to drive away, and the deputy stopped shooting. Here's the remainder of that surveillance video.